Welcome to Tips and Tricks. Today we're going to show you how to lock a PDF file on your Macintosh so that no one can access it but you, unless you or they have the correct password to get in. So the PDF file could contain some confidential information, banking information, or a report that has people's salaries in it, things like that. So if you need to lock it down, it's actually pretty easy on the Mac. So we have some files here that we want to make confidential in our documents folder, and you can check on our channel. We have another series showing how to make numbers, keynote, and pages files confidential as well. But let's focus today on this PDF file. So this PDF file here is one that we want to make confidential. So if we double click on it, then the preview application will open, and that's the default application for opening images and PDFs on the Mac. Now if you have Adobe Acrobat Reader or just any of the pro versions of Adobe Acrobat, it may open the file, and to add a password is a different process. So check on our channel, and we run through how to add a password using Acrobat as well. But for now, if you're using the free PDF reader that comes with all Macs Preview, there's a quick and easy way of doing this. So go to File and choose Export. And then here we can choose where we want to export the PDF. Now I'm going to click here just so I can see the contents of my document folder a little bit better. Now we have confidential PDF. It's the one that we have right now. I'm just going to change the name here to locked, just so that we know this is the one that's actually locked. And then here we have format. So I would leave that on PDF because you're starting with a PDF. You want to end up with a PDF. And then we don't need to worry about putting quartz filters in there. We just want it to be exactly the same as it was, just with a password. All you have to do is click Encrypt, and here we can select a password. So I'm going to select a password for my PDF. Now make sure this is a password you can remember, because if you forget this password, there'll be no way to access the contents of the PDF. With the encryption settings that are in there, you can't really break into it, so it would defeat the purpose if it was easy just to get around the password if you forget. So if you forget, you're out of luck. So really make sure that it's a password that you can remember and that you can type in when the time comes in to open your PDF. Now we just hit save, and it will take just a second to save it. Now we can quit preview and then look in our folder, and then we should have a new PDF in here that's locked. See how the icon differs from the other one. The other one, the generic one, kind of shows a bit of a preview of the PDF file. And here we have a locked icon. If we double click on this and want to open it, it's going to ask for the password. So we type in the password that we just selected and then hit return. And your PDF will come up and be accessible. Now I'm just going to quit. Remember, we created a locked PDF out of a PDF that we already had in place. So there's no point having a locked PDF with confidential information on it if you have an unlocked version as well. So make sure you drag that into the trash and empty your trash. And that way you only have the locked version that's available for you to access. Well, I hope you found this tip helpful, and if you did, please hit the thumbs up and subscribe. We're always putting more tips online to help you get the most out of your Macintosh products. And if you know anybody who might need to lock a confidential PDF, please send them the video. Share this on your social media so that people can access it if they need a hand in securing PDF files. Thanks again for watching, and we'll see you in the next video.